So generally, I'm a pretty big fan of Elon Musk and Dogecoin. I have been for a while. But I mean, after this, I just realized I went on the Reddit sub for Dogecoin, and I just realized everybody there's a fucking idiot because they think this is a good thing that he tweeted. He basically said that if Doggy block time speeds up 10x, increases the block size but 10x, and drops the fee 100x, then it wins as a cryptocurrency hands down. He's basically saying multiply it by 10 and then drop the fee 100x and then it's gonna win. That's it's everybody on that Reddit sub is a fucking idiot, dude. Like everybody thinks this is a good thing. This is not a good thing. He basically said that Dogecoin is shit unless Dogecoin increases their block time, their block size, and it drops their fee by 100 times. That's what he's saying. He's like the only way that Dogecoin is actually feasible and viable and actually works as a currency is if this happens. That's it.